Excuse me, do you know where the nearest cafe is?
Oh, sure. There's a great cafe just around the corner. Are you new in town?
Yeah, I arrived here from Brazil a few days ago, trying to get my bearings in this city.
Brazil? That's quite a journey. What brings you here?
Well, the job market back home isn't so great, and I've heard there are better opportunities here. I'm hoping to find work and make a decent living.
I see. What line of work are you in?
I'm in business, primarily import-export.
I'm in construction. Work's tough, but it pays the bills.
Construction. Huh? That's a field where hard work pays off. Speaking of which, how come you left Brazil?
It's not easy to make a good living there anymore. I came here hoping to work hard and earn more than I ever could back home.
I understand. Well, you seem like a motivated individual. If you're interested, I might have a job opportunity for you in my company. We're expanding, and we could use someone with your work ethic.
Really? That would be amazing. What kind of job are we talking about?
We have openings for construction managers. It's a demanding role, but the pay is good, and there's room for growth.
I'm definitely interested. Thank you so much for considering me.
Don't mention it. I believe in giving people a chance when I see potential. Let's exchange contact information, and I'll get back to you with more details about the job.
Absolutely. Here's my number. I can't thank you enough for this opportunity.
Mention not. Once you come to the office, first call me. Then I'll guide you whom to meet and what to talk with them. The amount paid to the employees are great in this role, and work is nice.
Yeah, I believe so. I'll come to the office day after tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Are you not comfortable in coming tomorrow?
Actually, I have to book a rented house here and a lot of work to do for shifting here. Once I complete my important work, I'll come. Hoping I'll complete all this necessary activities by tomorrow and come to the office after that.
Okay, not an issue. I'm hoping you'll do great in your work once you join in.
Sure, I'll give my 100% to the work.
You'll get the training like what to do and how to do. After the completion of your overall training, you can start your work.
Understood. Once again, thank you for all of these.
It's my pleasure. I look forward to working with you. If everything works out. Bye for now.
I'm very excited to work with you. Bye.